Class 6 Mathematics and Exercise 2.2. Class 6 Exercise 2.2. These are the oral questions. Question number 1. On the basis of the following information, solve the following without multiplying or adding. It is 17 into 23, that is the 391. So here is 23 into 17, that is also 391. So you can write here 391 because there is change the order. Here is 17 23, so it is change the order 23 into 17. The answer will be same. Now come to the second question. Second question, that is second question. 15 plus 25, that is 40, or 25 plus 15, that is also 40. So you can write here 40. This 25 and 15 equal to 40. Now come to the third question. 40 plus 0 equal to 0, then 0 plus 40 is equal to 40. You can write 40, this 0. Now come to the fourth one, this one. 39 into 1 is equal to 39. That means 1 into 39 is equal to also 39. Now come to the fifth question, and that is your fifth question. A into B is equal to C. Here is B into A is equal to also you can write C. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2. Add the given numbers by putting them in such an order that the addition becomes easily. So first of all, you can write here 2, this one, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. And once again, this one number 12, 1, 12, 4, 8. So that is 12, 4, 8. And once again 4, 1, 1. So you can write 4, 1, 1. Now you can plus. Now addition becomes easily. So 9 or 1, 10, 10 or 8, 18, that is 8. The carry is 1. So 1 or 8, 9, 9 or 4, 13, and 1, 14. That is 4, carry is 1. Now 1 and 5, that is 6, and 2, 8, 8 and 4, 12. 12. Carry is further 1. Carry is 3 plus 1, that is the 4, and 1, that is 5. And here is 2, so you can write 2, that is your answer. Now question number 3, this question number 3. Which whole number will be obtained if 0 is multiplied to any other number? So any number into 0, that is whole number into 0. It becomes always 0. That is the answer of third question. Now come to the fourth question. What is the closure property of addition? The closure property of addition, that is 3 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 3. If we change the order of the digit, then the sum is always same. Now come to the fifth question, that is fill in the blanks on the basis of characteristics property of operations. So you can see here the first part is 2376 plus 4559. Here is 2376, so you can write here 4559, that is 4559, because there is change of order only. Now come to the second question. 1 into 0 is equal to 0 into 1 equal to 0. Now come to the third question. What will be happen in this question? Here 6 plus 1, that is the 7. So you can write here 1. 6 plus 1, that is the 7. And 7 plus 3, that is the 10. So here is 0 and carry is 1. So 1 plus 8. No, that is the wrong. It's wrong. Once again, uh, 1 carry here 16 and minus 9. So it becomes 7. 16 minus 9, that is the 7. So here is only 6, and 6 minus 3, that is 3. Here is 8. So 8 minus 2, that is 6. That is your answer. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. Which is the number that when divided by the same number gives the same number again? So that is the 1. 1 divided by 1, we get only 1. So that is your answer. 1 is answer. Now come to the seventh question. What is the seventh question? What is the product? This seventh question. What is the product of the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 1-digit numbers? So largest 4-digit number, it is the 9, 9 and further 9 and 9. And the smallest 1-digit number, that is the 0, it becomes 0. Now come to the eighth question, that is your eighth question. If 76 into 16 is equal to 1216, then 1216 is equal to how much? So in this case, their sign is divide only. Whenever you have to divide 1216, we get, by 76 we get 16. That is your answer. Written question. Rama planted a total plants 544 plant in 17 rows. How many plants did she put in each row? Rama planted total plants itne in 17 rows. Total plants 544. Number of rows, that is 17. So 544 divided by 17. 17 3 जा 51 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 4 - 1 दैट इज 3, 4 को ऊपर से ले लेंगे 34 एंड 17 2 जा दैट इज 34, 34 कैंसल आउट, सो वी गेट 32. So number of plants in each rows, that is the 32, and it is your answer. Question number 10. In a city, out of every 15 people, one person is a government servant. If 1354% in the city are in government jobs, what is the total population of that city? That means कि 1354 is multiplied by 15. So we get answer. Now 1354 is divided by 15. How can divide it? 5 4 ja 20, 2 carry, and 5 5 ja 25 and 2 27, that is 2 carry, or 5 3 ja 15 and 2 17, 1 carry, and 5 1 ja 5 and 1, that is 6. Now come to the multiply by 1. 1 4 ja 4 and 1 5 ja 5 and 1 3 ja 3 and 1 1 ja 1. Now adding 0 7 and 4 11, 5 or 7 12 and 1 13, 6 and 1 7 and 3 10, 1 and 2. So total population of the city is 20310. That is your answer. Question number 11. Find out the quotient and remainder and verify the law of divisibility. डिवाइजिबिलिटी का लॉ भी वेरीफाई करना है. इसमें 3 क्वेश्चन दिए हैं, तीनों के तीनों सेम तरीके से हैं. मैं एक क्वेश्चन करवा रहा हूँ, बाकी 2 क्वेश्चन आपके होमवर्क के फॉर्म में है. तो आई विल डू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, and it is 7772 divided by 36. How can divide it? Look, I will show you. Now 7772 is divided by 36. How can divide? 36 2 ja 72, and after subtraction we get 5. ऊपर से 7 लेना है आपको. सो 36 1 जा 36 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 21. 2 फिर से ले लेना है ये वाला ऊपर से. सो नाउ 5 टाइम 36 5 जा दैट इज 180, एंड आफ्टर माइनस वी गेट 2 and 3, it means 32. So quotient is our 215 and remainder is our how much? That is the 32. The law, according to the law, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 7772 equal to 36 into 215 into plus 28. 36 into 215 whenever multiplies we get 7740 and plus 32. It is your 32, not 28. So 7740 plus 32 adding, whenever adding we get 7770. This and this both are same, so our answer is verified. So you can write here verified. Question number 12. Write down a suitable number in every blank. इस ब्लैंक में आपको सुटेबल नंबर भरना है. ये सब्ट्रैक्शन है सिंपल. अब इसको कैसे करते हैं ये आपको देखना है. सामने स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगा आपको कैसे कर रहे हैं इसको. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन दैट इज द 1 कैरी लेना है यहाँ पे। सो 15 हो जाएगा, 15 में से -6 करिए, सो वी गेट 9। हियर इज 9। कैरी यहाँ से जा चुका है, यहाँ 2 बच गया, सो 2 - 2 दैट इज द 0 एंड हियर इज 7 - 4 that is 3 and that is the fill up you can do very easily. Now come to the second part of this question, which is seen on your screen. You can see on your screen it is also a subtraction question. How can do this question? फर्स्ट यहाँ से कैरी लेना है आपको, यहाँ 11 हो जाएगा, 11 - 8 दैट इज़ 3, यू कैन पुट हियर 3। यहाँ पे 2 हो गया, मीन्स अब यहाँ से कैरी लेना है तो 12 हो जाएगा, एंड 12 - 7 दैट इज़ 5। यहाँ बच गया 8। अब यहाँ से कैरी लेंगे, 18 हो जाएगा, 18 नहीं 8 आएगा यहाँ पे 0 ले लेंगे तो 8 एज इट इज़ हो जाएगा, और 4 में से यहाँ अगर 3 माइनस करेंगे तो 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे। सो दैट इज़ द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यू कैन डू वेरी इजली ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। हाँ, पर्स जो है 135 रुपीज़ का है, हैंड करचीफ जो है वो 75 का है, एंड गोल्ड चेन दैट इज़ द 1200। सभी मनी को हम ऐड कर देंगे तो टोटल एक्सपेंड निकल जाएगा 135, 75 एंड 1200। सो 550 1 कैरी एंड 3 7 10 10 एंड 1 11 1 हेयर एंड 1 कैरी दैट इज़ द 1 2 to 4 that is here and 1 is as this. So 1410 रुपीज़ जो है एक्सपेंड हुआ इसका, और रिमेनिंग मनी होगी 1800 रुपीज़ जो है वो ले गई थी, और इसमें से जो है 1410 रुपीज़ जो है आपको माइनस करना है। तो माइनस करते ही क्या होगा, 0 एस टी रहेगा, हेयर कैरी ले जाएंगे 10 हो जाएगा, 10 - 1 दैट इज़ द 9 एंड हेयर इज़ 7, 8 की जगह 7 हो गया, अब 7 - 4 दैट इज़ द 3 एंड 1 - 1 दैट इज़ 0। सो रिमेनिंग मनी इज़ 390 रुपीज़, दैट इज़ द रिमेनिंग मनी एंड दैट इज़ योर आंसर, यू कैन राइट। Question number 14, this one. Ashok deposit rupees 4539 in the bank on Tuesday. On Saturday, he withdraw rupees 2556, and the next week he again deposit rupees 1431. This money, how much money does he have in the bank? That means कि ये दोनों मनी इन्होंने डिपॉजिट की है, तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, और उसमें से जो विड्रॉल की गई है मनी यानी इस वाली मनी को हम माइनस कर देंगे। सो इसको भी दिखाते हैं कैसे होना है इसको। यस, डिपॉजिट मनी है पहले 4539 है, फिर दोबारा इन्होंने जो है डिपॉजिट करी थी मनी दैट इज़ द 1431। इन दोनों को पहले ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि ये टोटल डिपॉजिट मनी है। 9 and 1 दैट इज़ द 10, 1 कैरी, 3 3 6 and 1 7 and 5 4 दैट इज़ द 9 and here is 4 and 1 दैट इज़ द 5। अब विड्रॉल की है जो मनी वो है 2556, दैट मीन्स 2556। सो इस वाली मनी में से, डिपॉजिट मनी में से विड्रॉल मनी को माइनस कर देना है। तो यहाँ पर ये डिपॉजिट मनी है और ये विड्रॉल मनी है, इन दोनों को माइनस करा है। कैसे, यहाँ 5970 है, 2556 है, तो 0 तो माइनस होगा नहीं, 7 से आप लोग कैरी लेंगे, 10 हो जाएगा, 10 - 6 दैट इज़ द 4 and here is 6, it becomes 6, and here is 6 minus 5, that is the 1, and here is 9 minus 5, that is 4, and 5 minus 2, that is 3. So 3414 rupees remaining रहेंगे उसके अकाउंट में. दैट इज योर आंसर. सो यू कैन डू इजिली दिस क्वेश्चन. Now come to the question number 15. In a model school, the fees of a student's class 6 that is the 95. If the number of students, that is the 335, this one, find out the amount to be paid as fees. फीस के रूप में कितना अमाउंट पे किया गया है. तो करना क्या है आपको, 335 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 95 से. कैसे मल्टीप्लाई होगा ये आपको दिखा रहा है. यस, 335 को 95 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. पहले 5 से करेंगे. 5 5 जा 25, देयर इज 5 एंड कैरी 2, एंड 5 3 जा 15 and 2, that is the 17, 1 carry, and 5 3 ja 15 and 1, that is the 16. This one is 16. Now once again multiply by 9. 9 5 ja 45, that is 5 and 4 is here, and 9 3 ja 27 and 4, that is the 31, that is 1 carry 3, and 9 3 ja 27 and 3, that is the 30. Now adding this 5, and here is 7 5, that is the 12, 1 carry, 6 and 1 7 and 1 8, that is here, and 1 and STs and 3 STs. So total fee is rupees 31,825 as your answers. Now come to the question number 16. The product of two numbers, that is the 117, that is 117, and if the one number is 13, find the other one. That means 117 को 13 से डिवाइड करना है. So you can divide it by 13 like this. It is 117. So 13 9 ja, you can say it is 9 times, it is 117. So other number is 9. Other number you can write, that is the 9, and it is your answer. Yes, now come to the last question, that is the 17. Nisa purchased 24 radio, that is 24 radio sets for rupees 18,720 rupees. If all radio sets are of the same cost, find out the cost of one radio. That means आपको 18,720 को 24 से डिवाइड करना है. सो 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 18720. How can divide? I will show you. Yes, 18,720 को 24 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑल ये 7 टाइम्स जाएगा. 7 टाइम, जब 7 के 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 168 आएगा. इसको माइनस करना है, 19 बच जाएगा. ऊपर से 2 ले लेंगे. 2 लेने के बाद जो है 24 8 जा, दैट इज़ 192. 192 पूरा का पूरा कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 0 को फिर से यहाँ पर ले लेंगे. सो आवर आंसर इज 780. 780 as an answer.